In this video, we are going to know about the Kolleru Lake. Freshwater lakes provide the nutritional requirements of the world's poorest people. One such lake is Kolleru. It is one of the largest freshwater lakes in India, existing between West Godavari and Krishna districts of the state of Andhra Pradesh. The catchment of the lake extends up to 6,121 km square. The lake Kolleru discharges its excess water into the Bay of Bengal through the twisty channel called Upputeru, which is about 65 km long. Nevertheless, the Kolleru wetland receives huge quantity of nutrient-rich sediments from the flood plains of these rivers. Now you are watching Bird Sanctuary of Kolleru. In November 1999, the government of Andhra Pradesh had declared the lake as Bird Sanctuary. This lake is hosting 193 species of birds and a variety of flora and fauna, including medicinal plants. It attracts migratory birds from Northern Asia and Eastern Europe between the months of October and March, and it is estimated as 20 lakhs birds per year. The lake was also an important habitat for an estimated 20 million residents. This largest sweetwater lake has not only shrunk in size but faced great threat due to pollution in the last 3 decades as revealed by satellite pictures. The decrease in the water area and muddy ground in the lake resulted in flooding. You are watching Kolleru Lake. Being a profitable business, aquaculture in Kolleru was started extensively in the 80s, which later spread to the areas in the Krishna Godavari Delta and attracted a large number of investors to the area. In 1996, almost entire lake was brought under cultivation and bunds were constructed to keep water out to protect the crops. The major sources of pollution are agriculture runoff containing residues of several agrochemicals, fertilizers, fish tank discharges, industrial effluents containing chemical residues and different types of organic substances, municipal and domestic sewage. Excessive nutrient addition, especially from anthropogenic sources, led to explosive weed growth. Here you can observe the weed growth. The extensively grown weeds in Kolleru Lake are Eichhornia and Pistia. As a result, the water of the lake turned more alkaline in nature, turbid, nutrient rich, low in dissolved oxygen and high in biochemical oxygen demand. Waterborne diseases like diarrhea, typhoid, amoebiasis and others are said to be common among the local inhabitants who are unaware of the state of pollution in the lake water. Vector-borne diseases also increased in those areas. Prawn and fish have been found to be affected by diseases leading to some farms being abandoned. The lands thus abandoned are useless for agriculture too. So, the Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India constituted a committee, Operation Kolleru, to protect the lake. The objective of the program is to bring back the ecological balance of Kolleru Lake, which is a gift of nature.